Did you know JavaScript is the most hated programming language in the world? And do you know which is the most loved programming language in the world? It's JavaScript. And do you know which is the most popular language in the world? It's again JavaScript. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be discussing like how JavaScript becomes the most popular language in the world. And if you are interested in making web applications, stunning websites and smartphone apps that can run on cross platform, so you will find all these answers in this video. And the most important question, like, is it worth to learn JavaScript in 2021 or for upcoming years? So let's find out all these answers in this particular video. I am making this video because 2-3 months before I also had a doubt, like, should I start learning JavaScript? Is it worth to learn JavaScript in 2021 or for upcoming years? Because I want to become a web developer and make websites for myself, and so how powerful JavaScript is. So I was looking for answers to all these questions. Then I did a lot of research and then I got answers to all these questions. So that's why I'm making this video. Like, if you also had a doubt related to JavaScript, then you will find all your answers in this particular video. JavaScript is the most popular language and is still increasing its popularity around the world. And according to the report from the Stack Overflow, JavaScript is the most used programming language because in this whole world there is around 2 billion websites, and 96% of them are made with JavaScript. So no matter where it falls in your favorite ranking, but it will be the top contender in the real world usage, and will be the most used programming language and the most popular language in the world for the upcoming years, and it will have a great future. So today JavaScript is one of the most powerful language on this whole planet because of its performance and omnipresence. And I personally feel like JavaScript has that potential to tap into so many industries like machine learning, data analysis, where Python still rules the game, no doubt, but it's even happening with the tools like TensorFlow.js. So that's why it is so popular, and this was not the case with JavaScript before 10 years back. Then it was a very weak and non-performant language, but this was not case with JavaScript now. And let's see how JavaScript turned the table from last 10 years and becomes the most stronger language than ever before. So it is only because of the V8 engine. V8 engine is the JavaScript engine powered by Google Chrome to achieve faster JavaScript execution code. It just translates JavaScript code into machine code with interpreters. So there are many JavaScript engines out there for every browser, like SpiderMonkey, Rhino. So but what makes V8 stand out, that it does not produce any intermediate code. So that's why JavaScript has become so popular, because of these types of engines. So that's why it is so powerful. So JavaScript has one of the most mature ecosystem that a programming language could ever have. It has a very vast community and the entry barrier is very low. So let's see where you can run your JavaScript code. So just what you have to do, just fire up your browser, open the console, and you will see JavaScript engine is waiting for you to run your code. So that's so simple, and it was not the case with any other programming language with such complexity. So that's why JavaScript is best. I think you must have got your answers, but let me answer the last question. Is JavaScript still worth to learn in 2021 or for the upcoming years? So here I am not a fortune teller, but with such a drastic evolution in web technologies, like all native smartphone apps will be replaced by cross-platform smartphone app that will be powered by JavaScript. So JavaScript is not only made for web, so it's spreading everywhere like a wildfire, and JavaScript can be used in browsers, it can be used in web servers. It can be used in smartphones, smart watches, computers, supercomputers, and like it is everywhere. So I'm not sure with any other programming language, but I can confidently say that JavaScript will here for a long. So I think you must have got your answers, so just go for it.